Intel has unveiled its first 9th-generation Core processors, aimed at desktop enthusiasts. The upgraded CPUs ultimately represent a refinement of existing Intel 14nm chips, but promise more space for overclocking, support for Optane-based memory sticks and hardware-level mitigations for Specter and Meltdown attacks. Naturally, they also have many cores, not as many as the 28-core Xeon, but now you can expect at least 8 cores and the same 18 cores as last year in the flagship Core model i9-9980XE. Meanwhile, the Core i9-9900K is considered the first high-volume processor that reaches 5 GHz, although only when one of its 8 cores is used. You can also expect more subtle enhancements in the X series, such as Quad DDR4 memory channels and up to 68 PCI Express lanes, the latter of which should help with multiple video cards and solid-state drives. Regular enthusiast chips still offer dual-channel DDR4 and up to 40 PCIe lines. You will also see common settings such as the unified cache on all cores and AVX2 instructions that can handle multiple forms of data with a single command. You can pre-order the new processors today before the October 19th release. Conventional chips will be sold at retail prices between $262 for a Core i5-9600K of 3.7 GHz and $488 for the i7-9900, while the X series starts at $589 for an i7-9800X from 8.8 Hz to 8 cores and shoots at $1,979 if you demand the 18-core i9-9980XE, 3 GHz. One thing is for sure, Intel is shooting directly at the second generation of AMD's Ryzen line with its first parts of the 9th generation.